enjoying the garden at Lawrence Hill, heading for some brightness, for the colour in this garden, and coming into the bright spot of yellow, like the sun bringing brightness. Not sure what they are. They're like big yellow daisies.
Pond is very important for the creature because lots of creatures, they come and they're swimming and they eat something, they enjoy because of the nature. And that's why I like the pond.
Bird feeder, help the birds. They know where to come to feed, and they're out of danger when they come to the garden. The garden would represent welcoming and safety.
I like the garden tool there, and these flowers here, lovely, white and green and yellow.